Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have an Oufer Jewellery haul for you guys. So I'm just filming this on my phone outside. It's a nice day, it's bright, the birds are chirping, I'm going to make the most of the sun, and I thought I would do my haul outside. So these arrived I think yesterday, and it's a whole bunch of industrial piercings. So as you guys know, I do have my industrial pierce. It is a bitch to pierce, but I got it done, and it is one of my favorite piercings. See it just there? It's one of my favorite piercings, and I absolutely love it. It is amazing. And yeah, so this company is on Instagram. That's where I noticed it first. So it's Oufer Body Jewellery, and yeah, they've got a website as well. All of these packs are normally $19.99, but they usually have sales where they're like where they're like $13.99 and things like that. So yeah, I'm really excited to open up these bad boys because they are so cute. There's the set here, which is just so adorable, and then this one here, yes, it is so pretty, and then this one here too. And just have a look at them all individually. So here is the one with the heart, and this one is so freaking cute with the wee heart, and then we have one with a moon. And then this one with just the gems is just so freaking iconic. I love that one. And then we've just got some plainer, smaller ones, which I don't think will actually fit in my industrial, but we will see because they are the smaller of the bars, where mine is quite a large one. So I don't know if, it might, yeah, no, that's gonna fit. Yes, yes, because that's what I was like most worried about, is that it wouldn't fit. And then there's the longer, kind of crazy technical ones, which I actually really like. And of course just a plain kind of silver one. So just need to technical difficulties getting this out there. So there is kind of like that one there, and then a screw. It's a full-on screw. That's so cool. And then we have just your plain one, and then we have this one here. So I think what I'm going to do, without further ado, let's take out my current industrial. There's that one if that one was in, except this one is just a bit too long for my ear, as you can see. It's a little bit too long, but that's okay. It's probably because of its crazy shape. So on to the next one. So then we have this one here, which is probably, I'm not kidding, my favorite one. Well, I've only just started, but this is so cool. Just a screw through your ear. I think that's such an original idea. That's so freaking cool. I really like this one. And then there's this one that is so pretty with the gems on either side. I think it's so elegant. It's a nice kind of everyday. It is just so pretty. I just really like that one. I think it's so cute and so pretty. I just really like this one. And then there is this one here with the pink heart in it, which is just like a nice simple one with something in the middle, which I think is a really cool one, a really cool idea as well, because it's like you can have an accessory to just your plain bar, which I think is really cute. Then there is this one with the purple moon on it. I'm really liking the purple series. It's just really cute, plain. Now we are back to our plain kind of series. So these are just the plain coloured ones. And I think the coloured ones are still pretty cool because they pack quite a punch. So I'm really excited for these ones. And then we have this one here, which is cute as well. I really like this one. So then there's this one here. It's a beautiful speckled coloured teal. I really like this one. It's really cute. I know I'm saying these are all cute, but I'm not wrong. And look, you can literally change it so it changes color. Like this one is so freaking cute. I really like this one. It's so cute. Like, you can't tell me I'm wrong. These are all cute. These are cute as industrial. So just a bit about this jewelry company is that the body jewelry is nickel and lead free, no virus, no infection, and non-allergy, non-corrosive, and non-deformation as well. So yeah, they have plugs, tunnels, tapers, belly rings, nose rings, septums, nipple rings, cartilage earrings, captive bead rings, labrays, eyebrow jewelry, and some non-piercing jewelry, so you can have your fake septums too. So these are all of them here, and I think my favorite one is probably this one here, or the screw. I think are really cool, but I also like this series as well. The plain ones are really cool as well, just because they come in a pack, but I think my absolutely most favorite is this one, and then maybe this one. But they're all really cool and individual, and I think because they come in the 3 different packs, there's so many to choose from. So I definitely would, if I was you, check out Oufer Body Jewellery to get your hands on some of these if you do like body piercings as well. There's a whole bunch of others, like these septums. I was like, I'm in love. I want all of them. But industrial will have to do for now. So now I've got a nice wee collection just from buying 3 packs. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite industrial was down below. And until next time, I love you guys so much. Goodbye.